Hey guys, this is First Call on Monday, and we have us a no cooling call at a mobile home park here. So let's go in and see what's going on. Stay tuned. Knock knock. Hey, we come see about this air conditioner.
Please do.
What's it been doing?
Freezing.
Wait a
Stay
minute.
there for a minute.
Is this your thermostat way up here?
Yeah.
Okay, why is it way up here? Who in the world put...
That's where it's always been since I've been here.
Alright, how do I just...
Oh, yeah.
Hold on a sec.
So move it. So what you want to do? Turn it.
Turn it on to cool. Okay. I don't know who in the world put that up there, but... Do you have access to the Wi-Fi on that? This is a solid block of ice right now. Hold on. Alright, how do I...
So you want to...
I'm just going to turn it up so it turns off. Alright, now how do I turn the blower on? I'm not familiar with these thermostats. Forgive me.
I don't know about blower, but this is all that it... So it's cool, off, heat, and cool.
Uh-huh.
That's it. And I think I can do something right here too.
Alright.
So if you want...
I just want to turn the blower on. Can you just on? Okay, so you can control everything from right there? Okay. Solid block of ice. How many days?
Well, more than that. I feel like 26. Almost there. They claim they've been calling.
I got a call from them this weekend.
They haven't been calling me other yet. But I've been in.
This tenant just told me that. Okay. We have it turned off inside. And the condenser is still running, so we have a problem out here. If y'all can see that. That is not supposed to look like that down in there. I'm gonna get my tools. Go ahead and get me a contactor. And we'll get this fixed. Y'all can see that this right here is... Oh, hold on just a second. Yep, power's off. That is welded shut. I'm gonna do some tests on it real quick. It should not. Man, I'm sorry, but that lady next door is talking really loud on that telephone. All right, we have 0 volts, which means this. I guess we found a way to turn it off. This right here looks a little bit burnt. Here's a spring right here. Tell you what, let's go ahead and get this contactor replaced, and we're probably going to check that capacitor. There's a chance we could be having a over amperage situation. So let's get this taken out first. Nothing. Ooh, that looks raw. I don't have a ton of space to work with right there to cut that back. A little bit, not much. And let me see, we have 2 1/4 inch. I have no low voltage right now, but I still want to be careful. What clued me in that this contactor was stuck is that the tenant was telling me it was turned off all this time. It should have been thawed out. I thought turning it off it would thaw it out, but it didn't. That's what made me think we had a problem out here. Okay, let's go ahead and get our low voltage moved over. Like I said, there's no low voltage right now, but I'm still being careful. Alright, so here we have red on one side, black on the other. This particular contactor is a 40 amp contactor, which means we have lugs on it that we don't have over here. I particularly like those lugs. In my opinion, they make a better connection. So I'm going to find my compressor wire and we're going to put it under the lug, and that's this one. I may have I'm just trying to cut off those little points. Okay. This one is for my condenser fan motor. This is not a heat pump, so it does not go through a defrost control board. This woman says she's been without air conditioning for 25 days. Okay. Now let's hook up our power coming in. Move this a little bit. Figured I should show you. My drain over here is starting to pour. As hot as it is, she should have this thing thawed out within a couple hours. Alright. Now this is the one that I need a little more space with. What's happening right now, me having to cut this back and find a good part so that I can connect it, is why when you're installing, you leave a little bit of extra wire up here. Alright, so now when I turn on the power, this should not turn on. I'm going to go ahead and check this capacitor first though. Read this. I can't read anything. Hold on a second, I'm going to take it. I was never able to actually see the rating, so I'm just going to pull this out. Oops. Forgive me. I've been turning my camera on and off a little more frequently because I can feel it getting hot. Alright, a 45 and 10. Let's check here. Some of this is oxidized a little bit, so we're gonna, I have a 10. I'm not sure if y'all can see that. And I have a 45. That's good. So let's put it back. Flip the breaker on and hopefully it won't come on. Y'all forgive me, but it is quite hot out here. I mean, abnormally hot. I think it's just really humid, to tell you the truth. It's already over 80 degrees and it's not even 9 o'clock. It should not come on. Alright, because this is not a heat pump, it's really hard to run it in heat and get it to thaw out. So what I'm going to do is leave it like this and recommend to her that she leave it turned off until there's no ice inside. Blower running 2 hours. Let me see, it's 9 o'clock. Definitely by 12 it should be thawed out. So just tell her to turn it back on at 12 o'clock. I'm not going to wait around 3 hours out here. Catch you on the next one.